With many students falling behind during distance learning, a Southwest Washington school district is putting an emphasis on students' mental health. Fox's Simon Gutierrez explains how they're adding professional counseling to the learning process.
They call it therapeutic learning. The idea is to use professional counseling techniques to help students get past their barriers to learning and engaging. In the absence of in-person engagement in the classroom, educators around the country have sounded the alarm about students falling behind. That can only be exacerbated by struggles with mental health.
What are you seeing? What are some of the biggest things that students are having trouble with?
We're seeing a lot of anxiety. I think some of those are kind of standing challenges, also seeing some depression.
Celeste Mcmanus is a licensed clinical social worker with the Sparrow Center, which partners with Educational Service District 112 in Southwest Washington, serving Clark and Cowlitz counties.
During their time at school, we help with kind of transitions. I meet individually with students and also help facilitate group work among students to kind of build in some therapeutic skills and some insight to kind of help them manage some of the mental health challenges they're coping with.
Right now, the Therapeutic Learning program only serves a handful of students, but there are early signs of success.
How do you measure success here? What do you have metrics? Is there data that you're producing and tracking?
We're trying to use really clear data that schools would be tracking. So we're tracking attendance, we're tracking engagement. We're definitely seeing increased engagement, increased attendance.
Their advice to parents: be open and honest with their children if they suspect they're struggling with their mental health.
Distance learning is kind of a disconnect, and oftentimes that teacher-student relationship is missed because you just can't facilitate it the same way. And so falling through the cracks is definitely something that I think most people are concerned about.
Students involved in therapeutic learning are identified by their schools through their individualized education plans, or IEPs. The Sparrow Center hopes to expand its therapeutic learning program in the coming months. I'm Simon Gutierrez, Fox 12 Oregon.